Okay, I want to show you my homemade charger I made. It does 12, 5, 3, and USB. That's an old computer power supply. Let's see if I get a little light here. All the switches and connections down there, and I got a light there and an LED there, an LED strip there. Okay, I'm going to kill the lights so you can see the LEDs better. All right, I'm going to plug it in. Okay, flip it on. That's our power light, LED strip, power light there. So everything's lit up. I got an LED cord here that lights up when you plug it in, so we have LED power. That's the end you plug into your phone. Okay. And here's what we got here. So a little over 3 volts. 5 volt and 12 volt.